you guys? Woo! Been a while, couple weeks now since I posted. Yeah, just I had a lot going on, and oh, what the hell? What is this? Oh, hold on, I gotta strap my helmet up. Whoops. The joys of not riding for a couple weeks, man. I got to go to a cruise to Alaska. We went to like Ketchikan, Juneau. There's another coast city that we hit. There's a big old glacier out there we got to drive by and go check that out. And then that was about a week endeavor. And then my in-laws have been in town. They're still in town, believe it or not. Been here for almost a month. And yeah, just, haven't really found a lot of time to go out and make a video and all that good stuff. Haven't really been in the mood to ride. That's another big one for me is I really do love riding my motorcycle. It's so fun, but I don't know. I just haven't really been in the mood to go out. So, and that's kind of like where I've been for the last like 2-3 weeks is just, I've been on my little vacation. Yeah, just been a little busy, It's been raining a bit in Washington the last couple days and all that good stuff. Thinking about going out a few times here and there, but yeah, just keeping myself preoccupied with other shit at the current time. So soon I got some other stuff planned that I'm actually excited for, like going to the track, and we got some other rides I got planned on. And then I also plan on riding to Ocean Shores. There's a Ocean Shores trip that I got planned towards the end of July, so I'll probably be posting that ride. And oh, does homie want to race? The only thing I don't really like to do is zip in and out of cars. That's kind of the only thing I don't like to do. I've also haven't ridden for a couple weeks, so I'm not really too interested in doing that. Are we chilling? Yeah, we're chilling. Yeah, basically I left for like 2 weeks, and I've been gone for like 2 weeks, and now there's like freaking war. We'll see. It's not official that there's war yet, but there's been a bunch of bombings, and it's just, God, crazy, dude, crazy. Really hoping that they can figure it out. I think the last thing the U.S. needs is another war, man. God damn. And then, what, another one that I saw? Freaking Ethan from H3H3 is, like, suing a bunch of people. I don't know if anybody's interested in hearing about this, but I'm interested in it because I've liked H3 forever, and he seems pretty level-headed to me whenever he says stuff. I mean, he, can't always agree with everyone 100%, but that doesn't give you a reason to just hate someone because you don't agree with them at 100% of everything that they say. Like, I like Donald Trump, but I don't agree with probably fucking, 40% of the stuff that he says. I mean, he still says shit you're just like, bro, you're literally too old to be doing this. Like, in the long run, Ethan's fucking suing a bunch of people because they stole his fucking content, and yeah, that's fucking deserved. From what I can tell and what I've been seeing and reading or watching, I guess, it's fucking deserved, man. They're blatant about it, about stealing his shit, dude. So, you know, fuck him, dude. Literally, let this man cook, dude. Let him get his fucking bag. But yeah, anyways, enough with the drama talk. Oh my gosh, how's everybody doing, man? What's everybody been up to? Anybody else been riding? Or have y'all been riding too? It would be great to hear from you guys. Shoot some comments. You know, my riding schedule is definitely not as crazy as it used to be. I definitely don't have as much time to ride. But either way, it's just like, yeah, I'm going to be trying to post a little bit more here and there, but let's see if we can swing this. Hopefully he doesn't come up on me on a turn, because oh yeah, homie's going to ride anyways, so back at work, back at the grind. Boeing's kind of ass, I'm not gonna lie. At least in 777X, CINR. It sucks. It's ran like shit. They all know it's ran like shit. They don't do anything about it. It's awesome. But I'm not gonna hit you guys with a negative bomb on this video. Yeah, it's been great, guys. I'm glad to be back out. And yeah, I'm gonna park it up. I'm gonna go fucking sit at work for a while, and then yeah, we'll talk more once I get back and out here and I'm off work. All right, guys. See y'all in a few. All right, we're out of here. Let's go. Oh, no, only reason why I get to leave early today is because I got a doctor's appointment, which is fine. It gets me out of work. This light will stay fucking red for 10 years if I don't go, but so yeah, as I was saying earlier, the world's in a really crazy place. H3's suing a bunch of retarded content creators. Oh, life's good, man. Woo! I gotta go get some gas, though. Gas is like pretty expensive here in Washington. I think we're second or third place in gas prices, which is not me bragging. It's really annoying and shitty. But anyways, yeah, I mean, I've gotten to ride it a little bit. I went on a couple rides without really recording much, just to kind of fucking, you know, keep up on the bike and make sure that it feels good and make sure nothing's wrong with her. So far, so good. I think, I'm sitting on, 1,100 miles on it. But yeah, I don't really have much to talk about. Really just, pretty quiet dude, and, yeah, you know, I just enjoy riding, and I think if anybody's interested in buying a motorcycle, you should. It's cool. Go get go to your MSF courses and, you know, go get the proper training that you need. I did. And I think because of that, I've never ridden on a bike in my life. And I'm now like, shoot, 7 months in, 8 months in. And I mean, I feel really comfortable on my motorcycle. And this thing's probably a lot more than a lot of people need, but it's crazy. I got 1,100 miles equates to 35 hours on the bike. Pretty interesting. My doctor's appointment today, it's gotta think about this, whatever. It's a scan on my liver. I gotta get my liver scanned. They're gonna take some pictures of it. Apparently, my consumption of red meats and eggs and all that good stuff has been too high. My fatty meats. So I gotta go get my liver checked, make sure that I'm not dying, I guess. And yeah, I guess I'll go here. $4 and some change, something like that. All right, full tank. $180. Oh, she's getting warm, baby. My tie and my boot, my shoelace is down, like right on the top of where my freaking shoe is, whatever you want to call it, the tongue, you know, just mashing my foot between the tongue and the freaking stupid shoelace. It feels awesome. God, and it's getting hot. My mask is getting all foggy. Alrighty, let's get home. You got it, I believe in you. Right to a bunch of stopped cars. Awesome. Man, all I feel is that shoelace in my fucking left boot. I think that's the same Indian guy from before. Yeah, there's a guy with a, I think it's the Ducati Monster, the V4 one though. It looks freaking sweet, dude. Those dude, I love Ducati. I think Ducati looks sexy as hell. Oh, 5-0. Sheesh. Oh, I gotta slow down. Oh, fuck. You're driving like a wild Comanche out here, dude. Not on purpose, though. This thing just wants to go fast, man. I got no control. It just goes, dude. All right, y'all. That's gonna be it for this one. Nothing too crazy. Talk a little bullshit, you know. It's been a while, so I'll try to post some more stuff here and there. And yeah, I'll be around. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.